Hi amigos, welcome back to my channel. And if you stumble upon this video, welcome to Moody Wonders channel. I am Moody and I really hope that you're gonna love it here and join the amigos, be part of the family. And you know what, let's all be friends, right? Okay guys, as you can tell by the title of the video, we are in the garden, my newest happy place. So we are obviously harvesting some butternut. Some call it butternut squash, butternut, but here in South Africa we just say butternut. We don't include the squash part, just butternut. So yeah, previously, I think in my previous videos I showed you that my butternut plant had, you know, some babies there and there, and today we are going to harvest. I'm super excited. So yeah, if you are new, please guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy this video and it's gonna influence you, or it's gonna motivate you to stay on, join the amigos, and subscribe. So guys, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with everyone that you know. So yes, let's get harvesting. I don't want to waste time. I'm so excited that I'm gonna be harvesting, so let's get right to it. Last time I showed you guys, we only had like 3 butternuts, and since then the plant grew and had more babies. There's this other one, I don't know if you can see it. It's not ready yet, so I'm going to be harvesting this one. This one I'm just showing you that it's a new one. Oh my gosh, my camera. And then there's also this one. It's also not old at all, it's still new as well. It's not ready for harvesting, but yeah, this is one of the oldest ones, which ouch, we're going to harvest today. This one also, we will be harvesting it today. It's so ready. And then this one is not ready at all, so I can't wait to harvest this as well. Also, I don't know guys what's happening, but I feel like this plant affected all my other plants, like my spinach. Something is eating my leaves. I don't know what causes this. I don't know if butternut somehow attracts bugs or pests that eat other plants' leaves. So I don't know what the deal right there. Like I said, I'm just an amateur gardener, so anyone with information, please help and just let me know what I can do, because right now I'm thinking of just taking my spinach out and starting from scratch. But I'm scared that even if I start from scratch, it's gonna be like the same problem. So how can I fix this? You know, I don't have a garden scissor, so I'm just gonna use my kitchen knife. Okay, I need to set up this camera, hold on. Okay, I can't find anything that I can. Oh yes, okay, so this is how it looks. See, it's so ready guys, it's so ready. I can't wait for it to heal so that I can, you know, eat. Okay. I'm so excited guys. So we managed to harvest like 3 butternuts. I'm obviously gonna put them aside so that they can heal. My research shows that we have to put them upright and then leave them for about 5 to 7 days so that they heal properly, so that they become sweeter and everything like that. And yeah, I'm super excited. Can you tell? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a short one because why make it long when you're just harvesting, right? But I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a likey, a thumbs up, comment, even if it's just a heart to say, you know, you see me, I see you, even if it's just a butternut emoji. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that whenever I drop another video, it notifies you. Also, don't forget to share with everyone that you know, guys. Share with your friends, your family, your colleagues, your neighbors, literally everyone that you know, right? And yeah, tell them to join the Amigos. Tell them to join our friends, you know, because we are friends, we are Amigos here. And yeah, that's it. And please, guys, don't forget in the comment section, those who have gardens, those who have experience more than I do, what should I do with the things that are eating my cabbage leaves? Is it a good idea that I take them out and then plant again? But how can I avoid this at the same time? Also, yeah, I really want to redo my gardening. As soon as I harvest more butternut, I'm going to take out the plant because I feel like it's stretching out. I don't know that I can direct how it stretches out or the direction where I want it to go. But yeah, next time, you know, like I said, this is trial and error. I learn. Also, I don't show you my spring onion, which I've been using throughout. Whenever I cook and I need spring onions, they are thriving and nothing is eating them, thankfully. So yeah, that's about it. My plants that I planted the other time, I haven't seen any progress. Maybe it's because of this what you call the butternuts plant. But yeah, please shout out and tell me, guys, what should I do? What happens? What's eating these things? It's a nightmare. And I need help. So yeah, I'm gonna close it now, guys. I don't want to end it on a sad note, you know, because we have these goodies, we have these babies that are gonna feed our family of 3. Oh my gosh. So yeah, please don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, and share. From me, Moody. Adios, bye. Love you guys.